Here is how to transfer messages or SMSs from one Android phone to another. So let's get started. Here I have two devices and I want to transfer them from the left device to the right. So there are many methods to do this, but one method that's always successful is using a third-party app called SMS Backup and Restore. The first thing we have to do is install this app on both devices. So just go to the Play Store and search for this app. It's called SMS Backup and Restore, and install this. Once you've done that, click on Open on both devices and click on Get Started. After that, you'll have to give them some permissions since they'll have to go through your contacts, SMSs, and a lot more. So just click on Allow, and you have to do this on both devices. And once you give the permissions required, you'll reach this page. So now what you have to do is go to the phone from which you want to transfer the SMSs. That's this phone here. And then click on Set up a Backup. So if you only want messages, only select that. And I can uncheck Call Logs. Then click on Next. After that, select the last option, which is your phone. Then select the second option, which is your own folder. So now you'll have to create a folder where you can save this file. So now I'll just click on the Create Folder button, which is here. But based on the phone, it may be different. But you'll have to first create a folder and then just call it Backup. Now, once the folder is created, just click on this option, which is Use this folder, and click on Allow. Then click on OK and Next. Here select Yes. Then there's an option to have regular backups. Just click on Cancel and then OK. And the last thing you have to do is click on Backup Now. And now the backup is taking place. So once the backup is complete, you'll have to go to the location where this got saved. So just go to the Files app on your phone. After that, on top, just search for Backup, which is the name of the folder. And you can see this is the folder that we just created. Now, just long press on this folder and then click on Share, that's written on the bottom left. Then you'll find an option for Bluetooth. So you'll have to ensure that both of your devices are connected via Bluetooth. And now it's searching for nearby devices. So here you can see I found my other phone. I'll just click on it. And on this phone, I'll click on Accept. So it's a 3 MB file and it should get transferred in a matter of seconds. And as you can see, it's now transferred. So now on this phone, we'll again have to go to My Files and find the location where this has been saved. So most likely, all new files are saved in downloads. So if I click on that, as you can see, I found the same file. But if you don't find it, then you can just search for it on top. So once you've located the file, just long press on it and then click on Move, that's written at the bottom left. Then we have to select the location where we want to move it. So for now, I'll just move it in my internal storage. I'll click on that. Then again, we'll have to create a new folder. And this time, you can just name it Restore. So again, create a folder. On this phone, there's a different method. I'll click on the 3 dots and click on Create Folder. I'll call it Restore. Then I'll open that folder and click on Move here. And now the file has been moved to this folder. So again, I'll go back to the app. And now in the app, just click on Restore. Click on Yes. Then select Local Backup Location. Select Local Folder. And now you'll have to find the folder which you just created. As you can see, it's here for me. And I'll just click on Use this folder that's written below. And then click on Allow. Ensure Messages is enabled. And then click on Restore. So here they're saying they'll have to make SMS Backup and Restore the default SMS app. So just click on OK. And then click on SMS Backup and Restore and set as default. And now the messages are getting restored. As you can see, the same number of messages which are showing over here, 6844, are now getting restored in this phone. So this could take some time based on the number of messages, but once it's done, you'll see all of your messages have come onto your new phone. And now it's completed. So just click on Close. And the last thing we have to do is change the default Messages app. So just click on OK. So to do this, go to Settings on your phone. After that, search for Default Apps. Then click on Choose Default Apps. And here, just click on SMS app and change this to Messages. So this is how it works And if you want to know how to transfer data from your phone to your PC, check out this video over here. Goodbye.